Hey everyone, Jacob from Dragon Tiny Homes here. Behind me, we have an Aria 24. This one is available now, so check it out on our website. But while we're outside, let's take a look at the outside here. This whole house is full LP siding. We got this nice paint job on it. We have these huge picture windows on two sides of the house, as well as all the other windows. All the windows we use are really high quality. They're all dual pane, low E, tempered glass. But let's go inside and take a look at some of the things that we've done to this house. As we come inside, right away we get into kind of the kitchen space. Now the Aria 24 has got like a galley style layout. So we have kitchen on one side, storage on the other, and then on the very far end we have the living room. So right here is the laundry space. Now you could do a stacked washer dryer here on a new build, but actually what we found is that these combo washer dryers are so good now that that's actually what we see most people use. So what we've done here is gotten that space for that combo washer dryer to go in right here. And then we put a countertop on top of it so that you're able to like fold your clothes, do different things here, and have a little bit more countertop space. And then we went ahead and added a cabinet up above so that you can keep more of your laundry items in here tucked away out of the way. So instead of having this large stacked washer dryer setup here, you actually just can use the combo, which is a great unit now, and then have a lot of extra storage space there. Next to that here is the pantry cabinet. So this is a great cabinet, super big. So you have tons of storage in here. You can see you could put some extra bathroom supplies, towels, different things like that in here, but also lots of room to put all of your kitchen items, lots of food, pots, pans, just a ton of space here inside of this cabinet. And then of course, like all of our other cabinets, soft close doors on here. So really high quality, nice cabinets there. Next to that is the refrigerator. So this 7 cubic foot refrigerator comes with this unit, but if you did want to upgrade to something bigger, you can see how much space there is here. If this were me and I was going with this size fridge, what I would do is put a shelf right here, and then you could put a microwave or some appliance up above, and then a little bit more storage on top of that as well. It's got everything you need, fridge, freezer combo right there. Next to that is the stairs that go up into the loft. We'll come back to that in a second. I want to show you guys the kitchen right here. So you can see the Aria 24's got a bigger kitchen than the Vista or the Avalon, but it still has the 2-burner induction cooktop and the stainless steel sink. You got drawers and then all the cabinets down below. As you can see, everything's soft close. We got the cabinet up above, so you can put all your plates, bowls, cups, and things like that up here. This right here is the bar top, so off to the side of the kitchen is where you can sit down if you want to work and eat. Everything can sit right here. And then we got the TV mounted up above on an arm that comes out so you can watch TV if you're in the kitchen cooking or if you're in the living space over there. Back over on this side, we get to the stairs. So these stairs lead up to the loft. The loft is above the bathroom that's on that side, and then most of that kitchen space over there. And what we've done in these stairs is put the doors on them so they're enclosed. So you have a lot of storage in here that tucks away. In this large cabinet here, there's all the adjustable shelving. And then we've gone ahead and added an outlet in here as well. So you could put another appliance in here. Maybe if you wanted to make a little coffee bar or something like that. In the morning, you make your coffee, and then it all tucks away behind that door here. And then similarly, down here in this cabinet space, we have more adjustable shelves behind the door here as well. As I come back this way, we get into the real big piece of this home, which is this living space. We have the 2 large picture windows, 6 foot by 6 foot picture windows. Again, tempered glass lets in tons and tons of natural light into the space. We have the really high ceilings over here because there's no loft. So this space just feels really big and open. For a tiny home, it's huge. You can see over here, we have the couch, lots of room if you wanted a bigger couch. You could put a big couch that turns into a sleeper sofa or something like that in this space, but you still have lots of room. You could put a coffee table, a desk over here, a table against this wall, so you can have some office workspace. And in here right now, we have a queen size bed, and you can see with the queen size bed, how much storage space there really is. You have a whole section before that bed that you can put any amount of storage that you want there. You also have the bump out that continues up in that back section there, so you can put even more storage in there. And then the stairs, of course, gives you really easy access into that loft. Going back downstairs, back through the galley style kitchen and storage area, we get over to the bathroom. You guys have seen this bathroom before. It's what we use in all of our homes because it's so space efficient. But on one side we have the standard flush toilet, and then opposite of that we have the 36-inch shower. Really nice shower. It gives you a lot of space and then doesn't take up a ton of floor space here. And then in order to make this really compact, again, the vanity sink here is on the bump out. So this is actually not included in the overall 24-foot length of the tiny home. And that gives you this extra 2 feet with the nice vanity. We got the vessel sink on here, mirror on the wall, medicine cabinet, so you have storage in your bathroom. Water heater lives behind this panel right here. It's a propane instant hot water heater, really nice, high quality thing, and it's indoors but not exposed in the bathroom. So that's the Aria 24. Lots of different features in this house. We got tons of storage, large kitchen space, and of course the big living room. This house is available, so if you go to our website, dragontinyhomes.com, go up to the buy now page, you'll be able to see this house's listings as well as any of the other inventory homes that we have at that time. On that page, you can see the pricing sheet for this house. You can see what the sales and specials are that we're running. You can also see all the different inclusions that we have and upgrades in this house as well. So many different models that we offer. You can check them out on the website as well. All of them are just a little bit different from each other and really built for different people's needs. So if you don't see something in this house that you need, maybe that's a first floor bedroom, check out our Avalon. It's a 24-foot home with a first floor bedroom as well. If you have questions and want to talk with us about the different homes that we have, as well as why some might work better for you versus others, give us a call, 470-748-9854. We look forward to working with you and getting you in the tiny home of your dreams.